What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on Roselle's activity, Roselle Spearban uploaded her behind the scene in Paris. On Instagram post, Roselle Spearban looks so beautiful, wearing all the things of Louis Vuitton. Roselle Spearban captioned it, beautiful, what a beautiful collection at Nicolas. Thank you so much for having me. Hashtag LV 2024. Process Pirban showed to everyone how beautiful inside the place of LV when the show was started. The LV collection was totally packaged inspiration to everyone, especially most of the artists supported it. Process Pirban attends and fulfilled the relaxed moments the way she used those beautiful clothes. Yesterday, on a desk activity, Nadek was spotted early in the morning having some exercise. On Instagram post, one of his fans uploaded that he was caught running alone to go somewhere. His fans didn't expect and happy to see him as well as Nadek watching them and smiling.